right there.
That thing has better control than this one does. That thing will launch and not bird's nest. If you have the right
That's good,
settings on it,
because I like to launch things and not bird's nest.
that thing-
Bass Pro Mega Cast, left-hand bait cast reel on a Bass Pro medium graphite, or Shakespeare, or whatever, graphite reel or rod. I thought it was Bass Pro brand, I guess not. Didn't mean to do that. There's been a whole dang motorcycle gang going down the road for 5 minutes. I want to absolute What? Can you smell the rain yet? Yes. Did you hear my bobber get popped like no other? Come here.
Because I like the look of it.
Come on, bruh. Just let me get the hook out your mouth.
Take a look at it. Yeah, it's kind of got a bluegill pattern. Yeah.
Good Lord.
What do you mean?
He's a little bitty. In the rain. He popped my bobber first before he actually ate the bait. Bye.
You almost hit my line.
That's fine.
So,
We should go.
yeah, this is gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Here we go. 4-wheel drive.
Not yet. We don't need 4-wheel drive yet. You don't turn 4-wheel drive on until you get stuck. Call your dad immediately.
No.
It's not gonna start.
Try.
You're good. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.